Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will going to study on how to find the nth term of an arithmetic sequence using the arithmetic formula. Let's
recall first the arithmetic rule, which is the a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference d, where a sub n is the nth term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Find the nth term or a sub n. Okay, if a sub n is unknown, what are we going to do? We have an example. Find the 11th term of the arithmetic sequence 3, 6, 9. Okay, the first step is to find the given. In this example, a sub n is unknown. A sub n will be a sub 11 because we're going to find the 11th term of the sequence. So our a sub 1 or the first term is 3 and number of terms is 11. Okay, which is 11th term. Okay, and d is 3, which is the common difference. And then we're going to substitute the values in the formula. A sub n will be a sub 11. Then it is equal to a sub 1, which is 3, plus the value of n is 11 minus 1, and d is 3. Okay, then we have now a sub 11 equals 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 times 3. The next, we have a sub 11 equals 3 plus 10 times 30 equals 30. And then, a sub 11 now is equal to 3 plus 30 is 33. Therefore, our 11th term is 33.
Okay, so that's all for now and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!